Mae'r safon wedi bod mor uchel yn yr adran nhw, so mae'n braf iawn i'r ddau yn o bod i Pencampwr yn mynd i fod o'r safon uchel.
Odi. Mae'n bwysig yn dweud fel beirniad bod chi'n cael y safon nhw. Mae'n rhaid bod yn siomedig os nag chi'n gallu cael o leia un o'r safon ucha chi moyn gweld, fel bod yna Pencampwr hyfryd gyda chi. Felly, mae'r het wedi diosg, pwy sy'n ei chael Mr Matthew Ainsworth fyna gyda Fox Ridge Hiraeth o Marchogaeth Emma Allen, sef enillydd yr ceffylau ysgafn, ac yn cael y gil wobr mae'r enillydd y ceffylau trwm, sef Redemption Ground fyna, gyda Krista Davies yn y cyfrwydd. Felly llongyfarchiadau i Matthew ag i Krista ag i'w bawb sy'n cysylltiedig gyda'r ddau yma.
And winning the championship presents the Special 156 in the section the Ridden hunters. We have 1617, which is the lightweight show hunter mare, owned by Emma Allen from Carmarthenshire. Our congratulations to you, riding on Fox Ridge Hiraeth. So many congratulations to Emma Allen on winning the championship, and also in reserve we have 1634, and that was the heavyweight show participated on Redemption Ground. So many congratulations to you, and if you can show your appreciation, please put your hands together to show your appreciation.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr i Mr Matthew Ainsworth a Fox Ridge Hiraeth fyna Pencampwriaeth Ceffylau Hela i'w Marchogaeth. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i'w cysylltiadau nhw I gyd.
And within the sport of more. We'll talk about and as we conclude this.
Well, Matt Ainsworth, the 2:30 a.m. start from Hereford was worth it this morning. Hunter champion at the Royal Welsh Show 2025.
Very, very much so. Yeah, super. And couldn't happen to nicer people. The guys that own him, they've got an organic tannery in Wales, and they're the only ones. So proper good supporters of the horse game, and that's how it should be.
And what are the plans for this horse now for the rest of the season?
This horse actually goes to the Royal International in a couple of days, and then he'll have a bit of a break then.
I think you might both deserve a break. You've done quite a lot of riding this morning. Have you got more to do?
No, we're done now, thankfully.
You can go and pop some corks and open some champagne.
Definitely.
Well, llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi. Many congratulations and good luck in the Supreme.
Thank you very much.